You see that thing right there? Not this raw chicken, that one. That thing gives you free energy. That thing gives you free health. And you wonder why they try to block it? You wonder why they make sunglasses the hip and the cool thing to wear? You wonder why they're trying to make you think that thing right there in my skin and eyes right now is gonna give you cancer? It's dangerous for human beings, even though we lived under it who knows how long. Thousands of years, maybe millions. Who can really tell? This thing right here I'm sitting on, this tree, this ground, this earth, guess what it is also? Free. Gives you free energy, free health. This raw chicken, free. This raw chicken cost little bit monopoly money, little bit. But there's ducks over here yesterday. The nature's chickens. Now they are free to get. But we got these man-made rules that if you get them and you get caught, you better watch out because your ass might be in jail. But our asses are already in jail in many ways. Here's a great way how to think about people when they yap about their nonsense. Or maybe the truth. They yap about the truth or they yap about the nonsense. Here's how you think about it. Any influencer, doctor, teacher, educator, your parents, your friends, your BF, whatever. Is what they're trying to tell you, is it gonna profit the system? Or is it gonna profit your ass, your family's ass, your health, and everybody's health? Or is it gonna profit the system that has put us in the metaphorical jail? And they're really tightening that grip day by day. Worse things coming. Worse and worse things coming. So anybody who you look up to, what they say is the actions they're saying you to take. Are they taking you here? Which is free. Free of charge, but it gives you the charge. Your mitochondria the charge. Or is it taking your ass to the place where you gotta pay? You gotta pay big penny. Firstly, you're gonna pay for the bullshit. Use any supplements here? Is there any biohacks here? Is there any red light therapy over here? That's the best red light therapy there is. Throw those freaking... Actually, they might be useful in some cases, but that's the freaking best light therapy you can get. Now, if you live in a place you cannot get it, you got a couple options, and the best option is move. But anyway, no matter how good these people are with the words, how good these people can make it sound like, how hip and cool they are with their sunglasses, Lamborghinis, escaping the Matrix narratives, whatever the fuck. But if the messages are still, you're gonna buy this, you're gonna buy that, you're gonna be more in the system than you were before, or you still want gonna work for the system at in some level. That's what you really need to think about. Because we, as a wild, natural human beings, we need to break the system. That's the only goal. Best science. That should be the only goal of anybody. And more people understand this, the faster it's gonna come. These bankers, these oil guys, these technocrats, these people, these black nobility people that have that old money, these tiny hat people that try to put everybody dependent on the system, these masons, whoever the fuck, they got the same plan. Put you in the system that they can monopolize. Anyway, let's end here. Here is just win-win for everybody. This lake froze during the night. It's the Finnish summer. It's actually still pretty warm, but the lake froze yesterday. It was not frozen. That's pretty cool. You wanna see me go ice skating and die? Anyway, keep that in mind. Health is free of charge over here. Health is easy and it is free. See you on the next one.